So in this video, I'm going to show you one of my project that is Shoppers. It's an e-commerce platform built with React.js. So let's get started. And as you can see on the home page, first we have a banner with a button, latest collection. Then we have a popular and women section. In this, you can see we have 4 cards for different products. Then we have another banner, and then we have a new collections which has mixed cards for women, kids, and men products. Then we have a simple subscribe to newsletter input box and button. And at last we have a simple footer. So then we have 3 main pages for men, women, and kids. All these 3 are same, but the difference is just the products and this banner. So if I click on any of the products here, you can see we have 4 images. For now, all the images are same. And here we have the title, then the rating, price, description, select size, and add to cart. So if you select any size, let's say medium, you can just simply click add to cart and it will be added in the cart. And if I add another product, large, so you can see we have product overview here and quantity, price, title, and total price. Then we have a cart total, shipping fees, total price, and here we have a promo code, input box, and button to add any voucher or any discount coupon. So then we have a login page here and a sign up page. So this is basically a front end part for this e-commerce application. It doesn't contain any backend for now. Now see the code for this. So as always, the React application always starts with index.html. In the body, there is one div which is with the root ID. And then in the index.js, we are using that root element. So we are basically creating a root inside the React DOM. We can use this as a virtual DOM, and in the real DOM, we only update those things that has changed, not the whole DOM, just like the vanilla HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And then we are rendering our application inside that root. So first we have context provider, and if we see our context provider, you can see here that we have our get default cart. So it will define the default value of the cart. Then we have cart items, add to cart, remove from cart, get total amount, get total items. So basically what this context hook is doing, it is simply managing the cart and checkout functionality and the products that we have, because it will be shared across the application. And then we have app.js. So in the app.js, as you can see, we have a lot of things. Let's start with the router first. Browser router is used to handle the routing. It contains all the routes, and navbar is not inside the routes because it will stay constant in all the pages. So we are not adding it in the routes. In the routes, first we have our shop page, that is home, then men, women, kids, product with the product ID. So you can see here we have a product page, and it will contain a product ID to display that page. So if I click on any of the product, as you can see here, we have the product page and then we have the product ID here. So then we have login, sign up, and cart. And if I show you all the pages, so these are all the components here, and here we have all our pages. Let's start with the home page. Home page contains these components, so we are dividing each page into multiple components. First we have in the home page. Where it is in the component here. Yes, so this is our simple hero component with a banner and a button. And the next page that we have is popular. So if we go to popular, you will see a it is a returning map. We are using a map function to iterate through products and displaying the popular products here. So we have 4 popular products, and everything is coming from the assets folder. Let me show you the assets first. In assets, we have all products, and this has all the images and product ID, name, category, and their price. So everything is in the assets folder. Even the icons and all the images we have, everything is in this one. So data product, this is for the popular one, and we have all the images there. And after the popular, let's see which other component we have. We have offers. So offers will be, for this it is a simple banner. Then we have our new collection page, which will be again the same. But let's see that the new in the new collection, as you can see, we are iterating the new collection using the map function, and we are returning the item component. So in the item component, you can see we have the link. Inside the link, we are showing the name, price. First, we are showing the image, name, and then old and new price. And then we have a simple newsletter. And one more thing, in the app, we have footer as well, which will also stay constant, just like the navbar. After shop, our next page is category page. So this page will be same for men, women, and kids, because only the data is changing and the UI is consistent. So the main purpose of React is to make every code reusable. And as you can see here, in this we have an image, and it will be based on the category. So you can see here we are getting the props. Inside the props, we will get the banner, and we will get like this all product, which we will map based on the category. So we are checking here if the props category equals to the item category, only then it will show the product. So let's say we are getting the men, so it will only show the items that has the men category. And again, it is reusing the item by passing everything as a prop. The prop can only work from top to down. You can only pass props value from parent component to child component. After this page, we have the cart page. The cart page only has the cart items. Let's see, where is the cart items? Here. In the cart items, we have this overview, and here you can see that we are again mapping the all product, and if the product is there in the cart item, only then we will display it. And after that, yes, we can also checking the number of items that we have here. If the number of if we have, let's say, 2 of these, so it will show 2 here. And then we have cart total, subtotal, shipping fees, total, and at the end we have um, promo code, input box, and submit button. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Then we have a footer, a simple footer, and yes, we have our navbar as well. So in the navbar, we have get total items feeds. So this is for the number, for showing the number here, how many items we have in our cart. And here is the UL for displaying all these items: shop, men, women, and kids. It will basically, if the man is selected, you will see an underline here. And because we are doing it conditionally, if the path name is men, it will add a horizontal line under the name. And then we have a simple card button with the total count. So yeah, this is the whole application. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna post more and more advanced projects. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.